The lexical decision task is used to measure word recognition speed. This task can reveal characteristics of the mental lexicon and how the lexicon changes with aging and with neurodegenerative disorders. Many language tasks require the coordination of language and other aspects of cognition. The lexical decision task does not rely heavily on other cognitive abilities, which may be compromised in some populations, such as patients with dementia. Helping to demonstrate the procedure will be Dalia Garcia, our lab manager.
Place the participant in front of a computer monitor at a viewing distance of about 80 centimeters in a normally lit room.
Press the left button if the word is a real word.
Instruct the participant to decide as quickly and accurately as possible whether the letter string on the screen is a real word or not by pressing one of two corresponding buttons. Start the experiment with a practice session that includes a small number of trials with one word presented horizontally per trial, subtending a visual angle of about 5 degrees. Divide the experiment into blocks and give short breaks after the practice session and between the blocks to allow participants to rest their eyes and reduce fatigue. Next, start each new block with a few filler items of common nouns such as dog, sister, or year that will not be included in the analysis. Present the items in a random order. Begin each experiment trial with a fixation mark appearing in the center of the screen for 500 milliseconds, followed by a blank screen for another 500 milliseconds.